Today we are making chicken biryani. For that we need tomatoes, yogurt, green chili, pomelo bukhara, tamarind imli, ginger and garlic paste, potatoes, chicken, turmeric powder, red chili, salt. Take a pot, add onion and oil. Add turmeric powder and red chili. Now add ginger, garlic paste. Mix well. Now add tomatoes. Add potatoes. Also, it's time to add chicken. Mix well. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add ready-made Shan Bombay biryani masala. Now add pomelo bukhara and tamarind imli. Add green chili and lemon. Mix well. Now add yogurt. On the other side, put water in pot, add whole garam masala, 1 spoon cooking oil, and salt and water. When water gets boil, add rice. Mix well. Chicken is already prepared. We will give koala dam to biryani. Blaze the coal. Take aluminum foil. Place it on prepared chicken and put burn coals on foil. Pour 2 drops of cooking oil on coal. Cover the pot tightly. Mint, lemon and green chili. It's time to mix boiled rice and prepared chicken together to make a final look of biryani. Final look of koala dum biryani. Add biryani essence. Please subscribe our channel to get our videos first. Cover the pot. Cook for more 10 minutes on low flame. So our koala dum biryani is ready to serve. Please subscribe our channel if you like our videos. Thanks for watching.